All right, guys, welcome to our weekly Thursday email. I'm gonna start giving you more updates of real-time stuff that's going on around our office. And today I'm gonna start with showing what we are using in our bullpen, what we call our bullpen here in the department. So over here we got Kyle. Kyle, say hi.
Hello.
Kylie, say everybody, say hi.
Hi.
But yeah, so this is, for those of you who have not been here, you can maybe show this off a little. This is our bullpen. We have finance in an office. We have a couple of our directors, but over here is something that there's no other property managers that are out there that have something like this. And what we have on here is a dashboard. And for you tech guys, it's powered by Microsoft BI. It's tied in with all the data that we collect, and we're tracking stuff constantly throughout the day. So right now, this is work orders. It shows we got 15 emergency work orders here. Our goal is to always try to be right around 4, but today, we got the AC stuff going on. We're waiting for property manager approval on stuff. We got 14 that we're waiting for owner approval. We got 95 that are open as far as overall work orders. But I don't know if you can see this up here, but we go through the different things. We got work orders, renewals, collections, turnovers, and we're always tracking these things. And the screen is always rotating, and we're looking at these throughout the day. We're looking at this at our pre-huddle meeting, and we're looking at this at the end of the day meeting, and all just to drive excellence and results, right? This is a business that, we have to keep getting things done because next day the things start over again. And just want to take this time on our weekly email here today just to share this with you. So, this is renewals, lease renewals. Right now we got 3 lease renewals we're waiting for the owner to approve. We have 7 that we're waiting for the tenant, and we have 18 in the next 30 days. So thanks for taking that quick tour. Next week, maybe we'll check out maintenance or we'll check out something else we're working on here. So we'll talk to you soon. Bye.